PS5 was released way back in 2020 and today we are in 2026. No, we are not in 2026, we are in 2025 towards the end. So many people didn't have that opportunity or that gratitude to purchase the PS5 at the time of its release. Me being one of them, I just purchased my PS5 in 2025. So since 2025 and it's toward the end of 2025, there are a lot of things that I didn't know about the PS5. These are the things that I've been just bumping into, and some of them I've just been seeing and not knowing what they mean. So today I want to talk about something that I didn't know about the PS5, and I bet most of the people who will be watching this video also don't know about this fact about the PS5. It's a quite good console and it's an improvement about on the PS4 because the graphics are quite good as compared to the PS4. So I would like to talk about the one thing that I've realized recently about the PS5. So here is the thing. So the PS5 has got the USB ports. This talking of this specific model, the PS5 standard, it has this one USB port at the front, and it's a black USB port, and at the back it has two USB ports that are blue in color. I hope you guys can see. So just realize that the colors of the USB ports also means something. So the black USB port in the front is a 2.0 USB ports, and these are the back are the 3.0 USB ports, and they all have the meaning. So the black 2.0 USB port is just a regular USB port that has the normal current or transfer the normal amount of power, and the blue USB ports are just some special kind of USB ports. So here's the thing. So the black USB port is for the regular uses like connecting your controllers and headsets, and that's all. And when we come to the blue USB ports, they actually mean something. So if you have your SSDs or external hard drives that you want to transfer some data, and you are normally advised to use these 3.0 USB ports because they have an improved speed. So if you connect your USB or your two hard drives at the back to transfer some games or files, these ones are much faster as compared to these ones. The black ones, as I've said, are the 2.0, and these ones are 3.0. These ones are much faster as compared to the black one. So that's something that I just realized recently, and I would just like to share with some of you, and it might help someone. So transferring data using these ones is much faster as compared to this one. So if you found this video useful, like, subscribe and follow. See you in the next one.